For our travel vlog today, I will take you to Palawan, one of the best places to visit in the Philippines. It's consistently ranked as one of the best islands in the world, and for a good reason. It boasts white sand beaches and islands, clear blue waters, a spectacular variety of marine life, and shipwreck sites and majestic towering limestone cliffs. From Puerto Princesa Airport, we will go to Buliluan Port. It is a passenger ship terminal in Palawan. And now, let's go to Mangrove River. This is such a wild experience. This trip is well organized with plenty of explanations. The river is beautiful with plenty of wildlife. Did you know that the Philippine archipelago is rich in mangrove forests along with its coastal areas and caters to around 50% of the known mangrove species worldwide? Microtel Puerto Princesa is the only international brand beachfront hotel in Puerto Princesa City. You know, I've been to a lot of islands in the Philippines and still nothing quite compares to Onuk Island in Balabac, Palawan. Onuk Island is a privately owned island in Balabac, about an hour away from the mainland. It was originally featured in the winning photo of George Tapan for the National Geographic Channel. Today, it's one of the highlights when visiting Balabac. During noontime, the tide rises and the wide beach will turn into a sandbar as the water engulfs portion of the coast seabed, and I must say, it's pure art of nature. Siksikan Island is located minutes away from Candaraman Island. You can stop here to snorkeling, though you have to be careful during low tide since there's a lot of hard corals and sea urchins underneath. Tangkahan Island is the biggest island among Patugong and Patawan Islands. Its shores features different shades of blue water. Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. This park features a spectacular limestone karst landscape with an underground river. One of the river's distinguishing features is that it emerges directly into the sea, and its lower portion is subject to tidal influences. also represents a significant habitat for biodiversity conservation. The site contains a full mountain-to-sea ecosystem and has some of the most important forests in Asia. And this is our travel vlog for today. Balabac is yet to be discovered by travelers, and why not enjoy this paradise all by yourself while you still can? Come on, let's go to Palawan.